Hey guys, hope you're doing great and welcome back to the channel. In the following tutorial, I'll be showing you all how to add more score to your Snapchat account. This works on both Android and iOS devices, and you don't have to root or jailbreak your phone. This is the best method to get more score on your Snapchat account. So let's begin, guys. If you're on an iOS device, however, you have to complete a few small steps. So go to Settings, General, Background app refresh, guys, and make sure that it's turned on. This is really important. Now scroll down and go to App Store and make sure that the app updates are turned off. This is also important. If you're on an Android device, you can skip these steps. And now open up your Safari or Chrome browser and type in addscore.live. So addscore.live is the website, guys. And now press this Start Generator button. And go right here and enter your Snapchat username. So let me go ahead and type in right now my username. Okay, and here you can add the amount of score that you want added to your account. And now press Start Generator. Okay, guys, and now it will start generating the score to your Snapchat account. So it will fetch your username and it will import the score straight to your application, as you can see right here. So let's wait a bit until this process is over. And now we have to press this button right here. And guys, what it will do, it will redirect you to a web page and it says your IP looks suspicious. A verification is required. Follow the instructions for 2 different apps, and after that your Snapchat score will be automatically increased. So guys, let's choose any 2 apps from this list and let's follow the instructions for each app. Okay, I'll go ahead and do this right now. And you can choose any apps from the list, guys. Okay, let me head over back to the list and select another app. And here we will have to search for this app called Solitaire. Okay. Just a second, guys. Okay, and this should be the game. Now we have to download this app too after searching for it. So you will have to, guys, to make sure that you follow the instructions. So usually we have to open each app for around 30 seconds. And also I highly recommend you to use these apps and interact with them. So don't just leave them open. And my internet is a bit slow, so please bear with me until these apps finish downloading. So it should be any second now. I'll show you exactly what you need to do to boost your Snapchat score by the end of this video. It's very simple, guys, and anyone can do this within a couple of minutes usually. Okay, guys, and now let's open the first app. Okay, and I'll be playing this game for around 30 seconds. So now it's loading, and it's very simple, guys. These apps are from the App Store. Or if you're on an Android device, from the Google Play Store. They are safe, guys, secure. They won't take up much storage. And after you are done with the first app, you can go ahead and close this app and open the second one. Okay, so I'll do this right now. Let me search for... Okay, so it's Coin Master. And now I'll be playing this game again for a short amount of time. as I'm having an iPhone 6s, it takes a bit longer for these apps to load. So now I'll be playing again this game for a short amount of time, but make sure guys that you follow the instructions for each app. I can't stress this enough, as some apps do have different instructions. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Leave a like, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more tutorials soon. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, have a great day.